Let's talk about menopause and perimenopause today. Hello, everyone. I am Dr. Varsha Anand, a specialist obstetrician and gynecologist from your center polyclinic from Dubai Production City. What is menopause? As we know, when you don't get your periods for 12 consecutive months, then technically you are menopausal. Average age of menopause is between 47 to 52 years of age. But everybody knows about menopause, but very few know about perimenopause. So perimenopause means the menopausal symptoms can start way earlier than your actual menopause. Maybe you can start your symptoms 8 to 10 years before your menopause. When you entering your 40s, suddenly your weight is increasing. Suddenly your bones started paining. Suddenly you have irritation. Suddenly you feel a lot of changes in your mood and your body. That's perimenopausal changes. I'm seeing a lot of patients who are telling me that we have been eating the same diet, we have been having the same lifestyle, but we never put on weight, and now suddenly I'm feeling that I've put on 4-5 kgs extra. So that is because of the perimenopausal symptoms. Now, the symptoms when it is getting little bit on the worst side, that will be hot flushes, night sweats, dry vagina, then insomnia. You might get disturbed sleep, stress, anxiety, and irregular periods. So let's talk about management, and more importantly, the management of perimenopausal symptoms. There are hormonal treatment and non-hormonal treatment. When we are talking about perimenopausal symptom, that starts in your early 40s. So try to include lifestyle changes from your early 40s or your late 30s only. Lifestyle changes includes nutritional changes, then exercise, then sleep, stress management. These are very important. So nutritional changes, one of the main thing which I want to focus is when we are entering into menopause, we are technically decreasing our one of the most important hormone, that is estrogen hormones. So try to include estrogen rich food, which is phytoestrogen rich food in your diet, like soya beans, chickpeas, lentils, flax seeds, grains. This will help you to increase your estrogen in your body. Then nutritional food, high protein and low carb diet is very important. Include fresh fruits and vegetables in your diet. Then another change which I would like to more emphasis is on exercise, and exercise means try to include strength training, which is very important, which is weightlifting. Even if you are lifting 2 kgs of weight or your body weight, try to include weightlifting in your exercise routine, because that will help you to increase your muscle mass and bone density, which is very important during perimenopause and menopausal period. And then sleep is very important. Adequate sleep, try to at least have 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And then if you're smoking, then try to stop smoking. If you're drinking, try to decrease drinking, and try to decrease your stress level as much as possible. That actually sums up with non-hormonal treatment. But if your symptoms are too much and you're feeling a lot of hot flushes, dry vagina, your urinary problems, then we will come to the hormonal treatment. See your gynecologist and she will prescribe some hormones for the same symptoms. So to conclude the topic, I would like to specifically pay emphasis on the fact that if you're seeing any body changes in your late 30s or early 40s, that's the time when you should see your gynecologist. Don't wait for your symptoms to get worse and then see the gynecologist, because you might not be knowing, but you might be needing a lifestyle changes as early as possible. Don't ignore any kind of perimenopausal symptoms which I mentioned above. And if you are facing any perimenopausal symptoms right now, comment down below.